doing well and awesome, and yes, I am back with another K-pop reaction, and today I will be reacting to Big Bang. I am in awe of them. I'm already in awe of them. I have already reacted to 2 of their songs, and today I will be reacting to Loser. This is a 2015 song, and yes, I managed to find a video which has the subtitles done. So I am super duper stoked. Initially I was thinking maybe I'll react to the MV and the lyric video separately, but thankfully I could find a video where somebody has actually put the subtitles. I'm really grateful. So without delaying this any further, let's react to Loser. Okay.
Loser, 외톨이 센 척하는 겁쟁이 못된 양아치 거울 속에 너 Just a loser, 외톨이 상처뿐인 머저리.
Oh! Is it about them getting called? Because I know Big Bang was very different than the other K-pop groups when they were, when they were active. And they really did not conform to the norms of the industry. They created their own rules. They were badasses, but yes, I'm sure all of that would have come with its fair share of criticism and opposition. So maybe the song is about that, like people calling them loser and stuff like that. And this is such a different song, because Bang 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 and Fantastic Baby was like such, you know what I mean? So yes, this feels different but amazing. Woo! Honestly, I've never put it to the world. Yes! Oh! Woo! Vocals! This line, I reach out my hand but no one grabs it. Ah, okay. I'm already sad. 2 minutes are still left for this song and I'm already feeling sad. Coward pretends to be strong. Wow. The joke full of hurt.
반복되는 여자들과의 내 실수 하룻밤을 사랑하고 해뜨면 실증 책임지지 못할 나의 이기적인 기쁨 하나 때문에 모든 것이 망가져버린 지금 멈출 줄
See? I've never seen that in K-pop. I've never seen. They really were very different, and I'm sure it came with its, like I said previously, I'm sure it probably came with its fair share of opposition and controversies as well. But that didn't stop them, right?
모르던 나의 위험한 지주 이젠 아무런 감흥도 재미도 없는 기분 나 변한 그때 혼자 있네 I'm going home 나 다시 돌아갈래 예전의 제자리로 언제부턴가 난 사람들의 시선을 두려워만 해
Wow, vocals!
거쳐져 지겨워 웃어보지만 그 아무도 날 알아주질 않네 외톨이 센 척하는 겁쟁이 못된 양아치 거울 속에 넌 Just a loser 외톨이 상처뿐인 머저리 더러운 쓰레기 거울 속에 넌 파란 저 하늘을 원망하지 난
I love his vocals every time.
I wanna say goodbye 이 길의 끝에 방황이 끝나면
감을 수 있게 Loser 외톨이 센척하는 겁쟁이 모든 양아치 거울 속에 넌 Just a loser 외톨이 상처뿐인 머저리 답답 쓰레기 거울 속에 넌 I'm a loser
Ooh.
I'm a loser. I'm a loser. Hey, I'm a loser.
Oh. Oh, this is from Made. This is from Made, their album Made. Wow. Okay. Wait, let me stop this. I loved it. More than the song, I loved the lyrics of the song. So this song, of course, see, in terms of the melody of the song, this is the kind of song I've listened to. This is the kind of song I've listened to in pop, American pop. And so it's not very unique to my ears in terms of its beats, but in terms of its impact, it's very different. The way, like, the lyrics are so, the lyrics seem so personal. The lyrics seem so personal, and the visuals that were used, I mean, there are so many, like, everybody is going through their own crap and their own hell, and the world and people are calling them loser. People are finding them worthless. So then, it happens now when somebody tells you you are bad. At one point of time, you really start believing that you are probably bad and good for nothing. So I think this is like that only. I'm a loser, I'm a loner. That one line, oh my god, that one line really impacted me. Like, I reach my hand and nobody is there to grab it. Wow, that's just amazing. I loved the lyrics. The lyrics were just a highlight point for me in this MV, and so different, because I think it hit me more because the first two songs of Big Bang that I reacted to were like so high voltage and like a rebellious party song, Bang 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 and Fantastic Baby. So this, again with the shock value, I am in complete awe of Big Bang. And now I'm slowly getting into the second gen K-pop group. I know there is one more group, 21, which is a female group, and they are also supposed to be iconic. So I'll get into their songs as well. So yes, so I really feel that now in second gen, I've only reacted to Big Bang and have started reacting to SHINee, and I think the second gen was something very unique. The second gen really was something very different. Always I get this very, very different kind of feeling whenever I listen to or look at the second gen MVs. So I'm really excited to look into 21 as well, because I've heard a lot about them. Now that I'm into K-pop, I've heard a lot about them, and I know that they're supposed to be really, really iconic. So let's see. Yes, and that was my reaction for Big Bang Loser. I loved it. I loved the visuals. I loved how the way they have shot this entire MV. You can actually feel the pain. And you know what? I'm so glad I found a video which had the lyric who had done the subtitle work, because then the impact is very different when you understand what they are singing. So yes, otherwise with the visuals also I would have understood that what they're trying to convey, that they are in pain. But with the lyrics, of course, the impact is very, very different. So yes guys, that was my reaction to Big Bang's Loser. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.